Las Vegas. A defendant who jumped out of a judge's bench in the courtroom video and attacked him, touched a bloody fight, is scheduled to appear again on Monday morning. Deobra Redden, who was sentenced to imprisonment for a heavy battery charging of a baseball stick attack last year, tried to convince that he had turned judge severely in appearance of Clark District Court Mary K. Holthus. Reden asked himself to tolerance when describing himself as a person who does not try to do the right thing, no matter how difficult it is. However, when Holthus would sentence him to imprisonment, when the court was handcuffed and detained, rejected the astonishment shouted argued. A refused defense table vaped, passed over the judge's counter and landed on Holthus. Video showed that the judiciary had fallen on a wall and an American flag that was overthrown to them. Jerry Wiese, Chief Judge Jerry Wiese, said in a leap statement to reach Holthus, super officer on the judicial bank. The defendant, who caught the judge's hair, had to wrestle by the clerk Michael Lasso and some by several courts and some punching. ASSO was treated for cuts in their hands and was taken to hospital for a wound on a marshal out of his shoulder and forehead. Holthus was subjected to some injuries, but the next day he returned to work. Rejection was imprisoned on bail of $54,000 in connection with attack, but the next day he refused return court on new charges. So a judge planned his next appearance in this case for Tuesday. He shows that he has faced accusations such as and refers civil servants who come his aid. On Monday, Holthus is expected to continue to punish in the other case of the baseball bat attack. He was accused of attacking, but he reached an agreement with the prosecutors and was found guilty of accusing the battery attempt in November, causing significant injuries. The 30-year-old Reden tried to convince the judge on Wednesday. The rejection was not chained or wearing prison clothes during the attack, because he was released from the detention while waiting for punishment.